So this is the first screen you will see after logging into Overloop, and this is where you can access the major features of the app. Now to make a sale, you want to go to the make a sale POS icon, and this brings you to the main selling interface. Now you can either search for the product using the search bar or browse the product list. You can search by the name of the product or SKU, or scan the product barcode if a barcode scanner is available. Next is to tap on the product to review the units available in stock, unit measurements, and also the price, and then add to cart. You can do this for every item in the customer order, and also you can add to cart directly without having to open the product card. You assign the customer to the order and then choose the preferred payment method. Confirm the payment, and the system will automatically generate a receipt.